This is the Zimma Folding Walker, a rigid aluminium walking frame that's ideal for those who struggle with their mobility but are still able to remain in a standing position. Walking frames have more points of contact with the floor and provide more support than a walking stick. Transferring more of the user's weight through the arms from the legs, this can help reduce leg pain, in addition to supporting the entire body and promoting independence. The Zimma Walker features rubber ferrules on the bottom of all four legs, which prevents the frame from slipping. The frame can be easily reduced in size for easy storage and transportation. Simply use these red buttons to unlock and collapse the frame. The Zimma Folding Walker is a slimmer walker at 56 centimetres wide. This allows for the frame to fit more comfortably through narrow doorways in the home. It is also shallower than other walking aids at 50 centimetres to support easier manoeuvrability around furniture. The Zimma Folding Walker has soft and comfortable PVC contoured hand grips, which enable the pressure exerted through the hands to be spread evenly over the palm. It's also height adjustable and light at 3.5 kilos, ensuring continued support for the legs without putting too much strain on the arms. The Zimma Folding Walker, part of the wider range of walking aids from CareCo. For more information, visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.